A blessed day, everyone. Welcome to my channel, and today we are going to answer the question, what is research? Alright, in order to answer this, we have to take a look first at the word research, and we have broken this down into two. Of course, it is divided into re and also the word search. Re, which means repetition or again and again, and search, which signifies that you have to be looking for something. That's why we can say that research is again and again looking for something. But from this concept, we can derive two definitions. First is you are finding an answer to a question, or the second one, which is finding a solution to a problem. However, let's try to take a look at what the experts tell us about research. According to Frankel, Wallen, and Yoon 2012, research is a careful, systematic, patient study and investigation in some field of knowledge. For Fallible 2020, research by contextualizing is to search again. Therefore, it is a scientific investigation. And according to Oxford Concise Dictionary, research is a systematic investigation into and study of materials and sources in order to establish facts and reach new conclusions. Lastly, according to the Department of Education, Order Number 39, Series 2016, research is a systematic process of collecting and analyzing data to increase the understanding of a topic. Now let us try to take a look at what is the similar among these four. Alright, so here you can see the red ones, the word systematic, investigation, scientific, and also the word process. Therefore, we really say that research involves a systematic or scientific investigation. So why do we say scientific? Because there is a process or procedure being followed. Just as an example, you can see on screen the different steps in writing a research. First is you have to define the topic, and then you try to narrow down your topic from general to specific. Then third is you gather the background information surrounding your topic, then creating your research question, developing your thesis statements or your assumptions, finding and evaluating sources, citing sources, and writing the actual paper. But there are also other processes being given by different experts. This is another example wherein you choose your topic, review the background literature about that topic, formulate a problem, develop research questions, choosing and organizing the research design or the methodology. Then you try to gather the data needed, analyze the data, interpret the data, and also communicate the findings to your set of audiences. This is another sample of a process. You identify your research problem. You formulate your hypothesis or create questions regarding the problem or the gap that you have seen. You create your definitions, come up with different literature review, select samples from a targeted population, create your instrumentation, implement that instrumentation by following different procedures or the science or the methodology, and then you analyze the data. That's why you can say that it is a systematic investigation, because you are following the different steps or processes involved for you to create your research. Well, everything is a product of research. Even the technology that you are using right now, it is a product of research. Even the applications that we are using, the gadgets that you have right now, these are really parts of research. Through different investigations, through different processes, new knowledge, new technology, and innovations come out as a result. Now I would like you to create your own definition of research. You may comment on our chat box or you may answer the Google form that I will be providing you. Now that you have given your own definition of research, there are some things that I would like you to be reminded of. Last time we talked about the macro skills in communication, wherein you have to be proficient in reading, writing, listening, and speaking. But for today, I would be introducing briefly the fifth macro skill that is needed. This is also vital when it comes to research. And again, these would be the five macro skills that you need when it comes to conducting your research. First is listening. This is your ability to receive and interpret messages accurately. When do we use this in research? When you listen to your respondents or participants. Next, reading. This is the ability to process text and its meaning. That's why you are conducting literature review so that you can have a basis of your rationale or background in your study. Third would be viewing, and this is the newest macro skill. This is the ability to understand visual information like infographics, photos, and segregate them into facts and opinion, and also even to identify if it is a fake information or not. These three, listening, reading, and viewing, are receptive skills wherein you are receiving information. Let's go down with the other two, which are more of expressive skills. For expressive, we have the writing, which is the ability to communicate textual message with clarity. Now that you have gathered your data, you have searched for literature, for research, that is the time for you to write your different chapters of the thesis or research. And the second among these expressive skills is speaking, which is your ability to communicate orally and effectively. This is the time that you can defend now your thesis or your research, or even present it in different conferences, forums, seminars, or even webinars. So I hope that for this session, you have learned what is a research and the different macro skills that you need in order to come up with a great research. You can hit that red button so that you can subscribe to my channel and see different videos regarding research, communication, and even journalism courses. Once again, this is Abigail, and I hope you had a beautiful day learning and exploring new topics about research.